Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel, Philippine Expat Country Living. It's another hot day again here guys. But there is a little clouds only, little clouds only. And here, still beautiful. And actually today, I'm washing my clothes. Philip is working here, waiting. Hey, my love.
What?
That's enough? You rest first. Looy, sa kumbana eh. Puti ng singot ah. Basa kayang t-shirt. So, he's right here. How are you, my love?
Yeah, good. Tired.
Yes.
I got work to do.
Hello. Oops.
Carry it to the compost.
Okay. Take care, my love. So, yan ang hakuton, guys. Ibutan niya ito sa compost. Okay. So, I hand wash because dili waste of water. So, pa siya akong i-rinse, guys. So, brush lang ko na ani. Gamit ko brush para di malata akong kamot. Hapit na malata. So, dere akong garden sa backyard. So, nada ko yung bagong transplantery. Ganun siya is broccoli and tomato. So, diyan ako ibutang sa pots. Kay gahi kayo ang the ground is so dry. Very dry. And as usual, ang akong strawberry is still alive and napudos pa siya daghang mga vine. Dagan na siya vine, guys. Dere is the grapes. White grapes. My love. The grapes is looking good here, my love.
What?
The grapes. Do you like it here? No, they're long now. Watch your head. Hmm?
Yeah, let them grow.
Wow.
They'll climb all over that thing.
Yeah. It's perfect really here because there is a shade and sun. Like that.
Well, mostly that they don't get sun all day and bake.
Yeah.
Oh, I gotta keep it up on here.
That's enough, my love. You rest first, my love. You relax.
As long as I get some water once in a while, I'm good.
Okay, bye. Bye everyone. Thanks for watching, guys.